So this hotel we are painting for the past 1 week, the bar is now designed with 3D and wallpaper. You can see the finishing of the wallpaper. This is an amazing wallpaper design. Wow, I love this. I love this. This wallpaper is really beautiful, but when we talk about wallpaper, I have a customer that chatted with me recently. I told her that the wallpaper we are selling, they are different quality, and I gave her the price, but she's demanding for the lower grade, so I just have to pass her. When we talk about installation of wallpapers, there are so many factors we have to consider when installing wallpaper. When you want to check a good quality wallpaper, you look at the joining line, the design, where two wallpaper are meeting. This is where you know if this is a good wall laying. Check this amazing wallpaper here. Where these two wallpapers are meeting each other, you can't see the joint unless you move closer to it. And look at the off-cut. When we talk about the off-cut, the openings are designed such that you can't even trace the opening. Wow. So guys, this is an amazing job. I just want to show you by what be the concept team.
ilé náà ló wà lórí ẹ̀ mọ́. a máa ṣí sìn, mo máa pa jẹ́ nìkan padà ń sìn.